Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Into this video guys, I have an unboxing for you guys, and this is from Hermes, and it's finally I have this on my hands. And even though this is my actually first wish list long time ago, and every time I seen it, everybody's hate and love about this bag, and then I changed it to different kind of bag, and then I asked last year for my SA if she has this one, and she said no, this one is really hard to get item as well. So actually my wish list last year is to have a Kelly to go. Yes guys, even in I stopped over in Dubai, I asked for that and they didn't have a stock, and the lady who works there, she said it's really hard to get item of the bag. So I keep asking my SA, and she said the last time she has that is 6 months ago, and now it's still no stock in store. And just hoping guys that it will have soon. But anyway, I did have unboxed this on the box because it's quite big guys. And so yeah, I will attach some video after this or before I open this bag. So here is my unbox when I open this bag. Guys, let's open what's in this white bag over here. Sneak peek guys. There she is. Oh my god, it's heavy. Hold on one sec guys, it's quite heavy. So here is the item guys. It's really bad. Can you guess what it is? So let's open now. Okay guys, I'm really excited to open this shopping bag over here. That like I said, guess what's in this bag? I forgot that my SE gave me another book from them. Actually, she told me that they don't send out now to their customer. So I asked them, can I have one? And thank God, I was hoping to give me a two. But like, guys, look at this bag over here. Actually, guys, when I was there in store, I saw a color gold in Kelly 25. Man, that lady, she's so lucky that she scored that. And that was also the gold hardware and gold color. Oh my god, she's so gorgeous. I was there, I was like staring at it, and I told my SA like, oh my god, look at that, how gorgeous that Kelly 25 is. So anyway guys, this is the bag, and thank you Babana for this books, and thank you for this item. Actually, when I first my SA Havana, and she was so nice, and I asked her this one first, but of course always hard to get this item. And you know, I asked for Kelly 25, not really Kelly 25 but Kelly to go, but unfortunately it's not my luck every time I go there. So I found this bag, and box this guys. Oh my god. And finally I got this 2022. People are wondering about this one, if they get the, but this one doesn't say anything 2022, just Hermes Paris. So it's really nice to open this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's move that. I guess some of you know that what it is. There's the bag. And there is the textile book. I'll just put this one for now. So for now, guys, I'm gonna tease you. What do you think? If I show you guys, let me know what do you think of the color of this bag. So yeah. So it's time to reveal this bag. Some of you knew for sure that you knew what it is, and I'm just hoping it was Kelly or Birkin, but it's not, guys. By the way, my SA told me they're gonna increase Hermes on next January 1st. Yes, guys, they are gonna increase again. And when I saw this one and she told me that I have this color, I said I want to see it, because I sent her a picture before that. When I saw this one on the website, said this is what I want, this is the combination I want. And she unfortunately she said she don't have that one. So actually I didn't ask for this, guys. I just came over to the shop. I mentioned to her on an email that I'm gonna go to the store, whether Kelly to go is not in there. I'm just gonna check what's the items coming in the store. So I asked for it. I'm glad I did ask for it, or else I didn't see this one in person. So guys, sorry for the chit chat. I just was excited to open and to show you guys. And it's been sitting days for days because I'm so busy, guys. So finally here it is. I'm hoping that I can use this today. And outside right now it's raining, so I don't think I will be able to use this, but I hope it's tough so I can use this bag. So here's the guys. Leave the comment below that what is this bag over here, this dust bag. And ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is the Her bag 31 and silver hardware, palladium, yeah, silver hardware. And the color, I forgot, she asked me, I forgot that what color is this. It's more like a dark brown, guys, and caramel color. And I said I forgot, because when she saw me this bag, I said I forgot what color, and so that. And also the back, look at the combination. Is this like a taupe gray color combination of this, and match this side from this strap over here. And guys, you know what, I keep trying on this because you know I love mini bags, and a bag like this, it's quite big on me. And for my I'm so petite, and she kept telling me, I know, Amy, because you're so petite, and that's why if I'm like that too, I'm gonna buy a mini bag. Do I need to keep this or return? I probably not, because like I said, this is color combinations, it's really hard to get. And even though it's like that, and I love they have the zipper back compartment over here, is the same color. The interior of this is same color of the bag. And so yeah, let's open this. Oh my god, I know it's not a Kelly, guys, but I do love it. It's more a Kelly for me. And let's so open this. So we just pull this tab over here. I wish it's gold hardware, but the gold hardware is really hard to get. Oh my god. Have this. Here is the other pouch, guys. It's same as the back. Actually, I can use this one as a wristlet. I'm not sure, because I think it will attach. No, it's I don't know if you can remove that. Let me know, comment below if you can remove this pouch over here. I think you can. It just tweeze or something. And so yeah, and this is the pouch. It's so nice. Actually, it reminds me of Neverfull, but more cuter than Neverfull, and it's more, believe me guys, it's nice. And look at the inside of this bag. Is same interiors of the pouch and also the bag. And I know some people always say that it's really hard to use this bag, especially when you do shopping. I probably do what they said, just do like that, and see that I know what they're talking about, and leave it like that when do shopping, so it at least it don't struggle. And also put the cell phone and the wallet in here, so you don't have to keep opening all the time. And also the one thing that I don't like is the strap. I hope the strap is adjustable because it's too long for me, guys. And she mentioned to me that you can actually remove the strap and put another one. Whether I know you can do that, but I probably do, guys, because it's really long. So yeah, and this is the key for this bag. This is the key, guys. There she is, the key. And you know, it has different code for this, and it has 2 key again. And I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. Maybe I will put right here. I will definitely put like that in here, guys, so I will show. And people put in the back, but I don't think I will do that. I will put like a display. So yeah, try to fix to make it look like that. Pull this side. This is just squeeze. You know, I don't bring so much stuff, and I mentioned to her, like, what if it's gonna saggy around here? I probably buy a bag organizer for this, so it doesn't dirt, and also it's on a shape on the bottom. So yeah, there she is, guys. This is my fur bag, and I do love the color combination. Believe me, guys, I do love it so much. And I wish it was Kelly to go, but it's not. But I'm glad this bag is on my look at that. I'm glad this one is on my collections. And so yeah, Merry Christmas to me. This is actually my Christmas gift for myself, very early Christmas gift for myself, because if I wait for Christmas days, I'm probably not hands on this one. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's it for unboxing today. If you do excited like me, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.